Yo guys, back again with another video. Hope you're having an awesome day. Today's going to be part 2 series of pulling apart Nico's 2JZ engine. So now what we've done is Corliss has turned the motor over. We've caught most of the water and oil that's come out, and we're starting to take the pan off, sump pan, and then we're going to go ahead and take off the secondary sump. Yo, and here we have the first sump coming off with Toyota's heavy duty gasket maker.
It's a low light leveling sensor.
And how does it look inside the engine, boys?
It's spotless.
Ooh. Engine looks pretty spotless inside, but the pan doesn't really show that. Now going ahead and taking all these 12 mils off on the lower sump.
Nice Air Jerusalems.
I've already gone ahead and taken all the ones inside here. That's the last bolt to come off. Guys, we've got all the nuts off now. Corliss is just splitting the sump, and he actually thinks that this sump has been off before, because Toyota usually uses grey or red sealant. As you can see there, this sealant here is black. Yo, when the sump is off.
It's been sitting for a while.
Guys, the first piston is out, and look how skinny that is.
Not all 2Js are strong.
Especially your one. Your one's the weakest one of them all.
Yep.
These rods in the VVTi 2Js are actually the most thinnest rods ever made in a 2J. But what gets us is, why was the sump full of gasket maker?
A silicone?
Yeah.
It was probably leaking and they probably fixed it.
So it's just been taken apart just on the bottom. So everything else in the engine still looks original. It's got original pistons, original rings, rods, 2J reliability, thanks. That's it, boys. And Nico just dropped the piston.
It made a big mess.
It made a big mess. Yoo-hoo! Bit of oil and coolant all over his brand new top. That's alright.
And you want some 2JZ pistons?
Clean that mess, mate. Atta boy. Guys, so I don't even think I've mentioned what Nico's plans are with this build. Let the man himself tell us.
Well, I was gonna go full turbo, but you know, 2J tax. Keep it in A
Doesn't
for a
want
bit.
to join the turbo gang.
I'll keep it in A for a bit. Till I can
And?
properly afford it.
And what kind of build are we doing?
High compression pistons, stage 3 cams, ported head, and all the bits and bobs.
So guys, it's gonna be a full house NA build. So I don't think there's much 2J NA builds on YouTube from what we're watching. Nico?
I want it more of a track car, circuit car.
So that's what we're going to get focused for in this build, guys. So it's going to be a good one. the beast awaiting its new engine transplant. So guys, just in a nutshell, what Nico's plan of attack is for his IS300 NA build is he just wants to put, so he wants to make it an NA build. He wants to leave the crank as it is, because those cranks can handle big amounts of power and they don't have troubles. Hey buddy, sit down, say hi to the camera. Hey guys. So he's going to put high compression pistons, upgraded heavy duty con rods. He's going to get the head ported, polished. Going to get upgraded springs, retainers, and basically all the headwork you can possibly get for the best NA build possible. The head gasket is going to go just with the standard IS300 head gasket. He's not going to get the GTE lower compression head gasket because he wants all the compression he can get. And as for fueling, along the line we'll find out what's best for his build by our tuner, and we'll go to that route. So guys, this video was short and sweet, but hope you guys enjoyed seeing the engine being torn apart to a long block. And catch us in the next episode where we're going to start installing, hey bud, we're going to start installing all his brand new parts. Guys, also be sure to follow us on our Instagram page. It's automotivated, automotive8ed_, where we'll be putting snippets of photos and videos along the way of our build. So guys, stay tuned for that, and we'll catch you on the next one.